Have you ever considered making your home interiors more beautiful with decorative indoor plants? They help a lot in increasing the air quality and purging it from toxins. Also, indoor plants lower psychological stress and have many more benefits. Below are 12 of the most effective plants that could be placed in your house for a healthy life. 1. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a perfect plant for every kitchen windowsill as it prefers areas with direct sunlight. Apart from being easily accessible to ease the pain of burns, it cleans the air from formaldehyde and benzene from varnishes, floor finish, and detergents. Aloe vera plant needs full sun exposure and should be watered several days apart, so it is a great plant for beginners. Put it in a bright spot, but do not place it in the center of the house or reception areas because of the spines on its leaves. 2. Snake plant. The snake plant is ornamental and offers the advantage of air purification. It climbs the tree at night and turns carbon dioxide into oxygen, thus removing toxic pollutants that may cause allergies. The snake plants are confirmed by the American Society for Horticulture Science to reduce ozone levels and airborne bacteria and viruses in closed spaces. 3. Bamboo plant. Also known as the butterfly palm, the bamboo plant is well known for its ability to purify the air. This plant requires moisture in the soil and moderate air circulation and should be placed where it is exposed to bright but not direct sunlight. Also, it is a natural humidifier that can be quite useful during dry winters and is safe for pets. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for weekly updates on everything related to health and food. 4. Pothos. Pothos is a common indoor plant that is admired for its vigor. They do not need soil or sunlight and are easy to take care of. Pothos absorbs toxic substances such as formaldehyde, carbon monoxide, xylene, and benzene, thereby improving the environment through the elimination of such toxic substances. It also raises the level of humidity, which may lower the risk of contracting viral illnesses such as influenza. 5. Rubber tree. The rubber tree boasts shiny oval leaves that add a glossy touch to any home. It's an affordable, non-allergenic plant that purifies the air by eliminating fungal spores and bacteria and converting toxins into harmless chemicals. It thrives in indirect sunlight but can adapt to low light, needing minimal watering. 6. Zeze plant. The zeze plant, or Zamioculcas zamifolia, is another low-maintenance option. It doesn't require frequent watering and contains antioxidants that help soothe earaches. According to the journal Hort Technology, zeze plants are highly resistant to pests and diseases, making them ideal for indoor environments. 7. Dracaena. They can survive in low humidity, and it is effective in addressing minor headaches, kidney problems, anemia, and respiratory ailments, as they can remove air pollutants such as carbon dioxide, trichloroethylene, benzene, formaldehyde, and others. In this case, potential consumers of Dracaena should be informed that it is toxic to cats and dogs when ingested. 8. Monstera deliciosa. The much celebrated Monstera deliciosa, which is characterized by large and aesthetically pleasing leaves, serves as an air humidifying and even an air purifying plant. This one catches dust and dirt while protecting people from having to breathe it in or getting skin irritations. Put it in a light and large enough area, and it will need to be watered once a week or if the soil is dry. 9. String of pearls. This plant can be considered a perfect ornament for any home or office, as well as has been proven to alleviate stress and improve a person's psychological well-being. It requires full sunlight and can be grown in a basket, so it can be placed at a height out of sight of children or pets, as it is poisonous if eaten. 10. Spider plant. Spider plants have elongated green leaves that look more like thin legs of spiders. Plant enthusiasts have a preference for this type of plant because apart from cleaning the air of toxins such as indoor carbon monoxide, It has been known to provide health benefits like fighting stress, fatigue, colds, and headaches. Also, spider plants do not pose any danger to people or pets through ingestion and are, in fact, nutritious. 11. Jade plant. Also called the good luck plant, it is said to have the power to bring fortune and prosperity. Often effectively luminous with thick, shiny leaves indicating jade-like stones, this makes it an ornamental perennial. It is useful in maintaining oxygen in the room since it performs photosynthesis even during the dark and is suitable for bedrooms. Jade plants have the potential to live for 70 years if good care is taken of them. Number 12. Ficus lyrata, or the storehouse of health issues, also known as a popular interior accessory among designers due to its bright green shiny leaves. It effectively regulates the levels of humidity, keeps dust, and cleans the air, thus minimizing the occurrence of flu, sore throat, colds, or coughs. It is easily grown with little attention, requires indirect sunlight, and is watered 2-3 times a week. Interior plants not only boost the overall appearance of your house, but also come with many benefits concerning the health and well-being of the occupants. Having clean and pure materials around you gives you a feeling of peace. Thank you so much for joining. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content. I'll see you in the next video.